Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your language setting in Wuthering Waves game. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Wuthering Waves game on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now you'll end up in this page where you need to click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, you'll come to this page where you need to tap on the speech bubble icon on the left hand corner and then go to the language section drop down under text language. Select any language you want to change to, and right after you do that, you'll be able to change your display language in the Wuthering Waves game. That's it. You've successfully changed the language in Wuthering Waves. Now you can enjoy the story and gameplay in your preferred language. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.